Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the price of a CGC slab. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to buy or sell a CGC slab. How do you actually go ahead and check the price of it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go to CGC grading and let's actually look up our CGC slab. So once you click on the first link, you're going to reach cgcgrading.com/en-us/verify. Click on CGC certified card. And then next, what we're going to do is that we're going to enter the certification number of our card, which is this number right over here. So let's enter that number. So once you enter the certification number, your card should pop up here and you should see that it's this card here. Now, once this card is popped up and verified, the next thing you need to do is that you want to go ahead and check it out on eBay. So if we type in that same card on eBay, so let's get the actual name. So it's a EX, and then we'll say it's a Pokemon CGC Pristine 10. So search up your card. So this is the card here. Let's copy this title. And then when you search up your card, what you want to do is that on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down. And you want to click on where it says sold items. So click on sold items, which is this checkbox right over here. And what this is going to do is that it's going to show you the recent sales of this card in particular. And normally what I do is that I just simply take the average. So if this card sold for $105 a couple of days ago, and then it sold for $89 a couple of days ago, I'll usually do 105 plus 89 divided by 2. So this card can roughly go for about, I'd say $97, rounded up, maybe $100. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and price check CGC slabs. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.